Hi, how to print a header page before each print. So to do this in carbon copy printer, I have this set up here. So I set up my destination printer, my tray that I want to print to. In this case, it's just on one tray, and I want to print the full file. So to print header or footer sheet before each print, click on Advanced Options, add PDF file to print, click Browse. Now in here, I'm going to select a pre-page that I've set up, just a PDF page. Click Save and Exit. Now close, which will save the settings. Now you can go to any software that can print. So I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat in this case. And I print to my carbon copy printer. So this is a 6-page document, so it should print 7 pages because it's going to have the header before the actual print. Click Print. So you can see the file on the carbon copy printer. And now it's printing to the actual printer, but specified in the setup, and it's 7 pages there. So this includes the header page at the beginning. Now we have some software that can view prints. So if we go down here, select that printer. If I double click on it, you can generate the PDF from it. So you can see my pre-page there. And it's got the ASCII PDF there, which is 6 pages there. And that's it. Give it a try.